Hi, I'm Dr. Sudarshan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with people who need it. Breathe. Breathe out. Awesome. Don't go by the pressure, okay? It's as per the size. Breathe. Breathe out. Easy, easy. Okay. Good enough. Breathe. Breathe out. Out. Nice. Chin again. Breathe out. बाहर. Okay. बाहर. Yes. सांस लो. बाहर. Yes. सांस लो. बाहर. Awesome. It's painful.
No.
Stretch. Nice. Okay.
I don't need this, yeah?
Why not? You have a hip, right?
It's nothing.
It feels good.
Yeah?
Yes, ask him.
It's so scared.
Relax. Relax. Okay. I'll take you back like this, okay? You just be comfortable and relax. Okay. How was that? Back straight.
Awesome.
That's it. See? Simple and easy. Breathe. Breathe out. What? Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay?
Yeah.
How is it? Nice. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Relax करो. Relax करो. Relax.
That hurt.
A little bit. And that's the only thing that has hurted, right? ठीक है? तो जब मैं पीछे जाऊंगा,
My neck is hurting when you.
just trust me and don't move your legs, okay? Okay, good enough.
So yeah, hi, my name is Mafreen and he's Zulfikar. We saw a few videos on Instagram. We came across this on Instagram and both of us are very stiff. We have our joint problems. I have a neck and an upper
Lower-
back problem. He
lower
has a
back
lower back problem.
leg alignment problem.
Yeah. And we saw in the videos what he used to do with his clients, and you know, he aligned a couple of people, this, that. So we were very intrigued. In fact, we were looking out for a chiro practitioner
For a
for a
very
long
long time.
time. And when we came across this, we just didn't wait and we came here. We just finished our first session. And it looked very painful in the videos when I first saw it, and I was really scared because
Yeah,
I've
and
never
she
done
was
it.
too scared.
Yeah, and I've never done it before, but after the session, I feel really good, and I think he does a great job.